Hello students, welcome to CleverQ. You can download CleverQ mobile app on Google Play Store and please join our Telegram channel for discussions and clarifying doubts on various topics. In the given figure, AB is a diameter of the circle with center O and XY is the tangent at a point C. If angle ACX is equal to 35 degrees, then what is the value of angle CAB? See here, this is A and this is point B. Here you have a tangent XY which touches the circle at point C. And O is the center of the circle. Now we have to find the angle of CAB. Here it is given that angle ACX is 35 degrees. Okay, see, according to alternate segment theorem, here if this angle is 35, then this angle ABC will also be 35. That is, angle ACX is equal to angle ABC, or according to alternate segment theorem, you can also say that angle BCY, this is Y, okay, angle BCY will be equal to angle BAC. Angle BCY is equal to angle BAC. Okay, now we are asked the value of angle CAB. Here this angle is 90 degrees because AB is the diameter and angle made by the semicircle will be 90 degrees. So this is 90 degrees. Hence angle CBA and angle BAC will be complementary angles. So this will be 90 minus 35, which is equal to 55. Okay, answer is option B. So you have to remember this alternate segment theorem. If the sum of 10 different positive integers is 100, then what is the greatest possible number among these 10 numbers? Okay, if we have to find the greatest number, then all the other has to be minimum numbers. Okay, so we can take the other 9 numbers as 1 2 9. That means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and we have to find the other number. See, there are total 9 numbers. Okay, the formula for number of sum of n digits will be 9 by 2 into, see, first number is 1 and last number is 9. This is equal to 45. See, here it is 1 plus 9 is 10. So 2 into 5 is 10 and 9 into 5 is 45. So the other number, which is the greatest possible number, will be 100 minus 45, which is equal to 55. Option A is the right answer. See, here the sum of n digits will be equal to n by 2 into a plus 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula for sum of n digits, okay, where d is the common difference. Now if you see, the first number will be a and the nth digit, that is the last digit, will be a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, this 2a plus n minus 1 into d is nothing but a, that is the first number, and the last number a plus n minus 1 into d. So you get this sum as 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Hence the sum will be n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. I hope you guys understood. Okay, now you get the answer as 55, because to find the greatest possible number we have to consider all other number as smallest. So the smallest number will be considering as 1 and the other number as 2 and so on up to 9, because it is different, the sum of 10 different positive numbers. If again if you are giving given the sum of 10 positive numbers, then it would have been different. We will be taking all the 9 numbers as 1 itself, but here it is given that the sum of 10 different positive integers. Okay, so this is important. Now moving to the next question. If n is equal to 0.369 and so on, and m is equal to 0.531 and so on, then what is the value of 1 by n and 1 by m? 1 by n plus 1 by m. So we have to find them individually and add it. Now let us see the value of n. The value of n is equal to 0.369 bar. Now this is equal to 369 by 999. So we have converted it into the fraction. Now the value of m, 0.531 bar. This is equal to 531 divided by 999. Now if you see, this 369 and 531 are multiples of 9. So let us simplify this. Now this one will be equal to 41 by 111. See, here 369 is 9 into 41, and here 531 is 531 divided by 9, you will be getting 4 times 45 and 81 is the remainder, so you will be getting 59. So this one is 59 by 111. Now we have to find the value of 1 by m, 1 by n plus 1 by n. This is equal to 111 divided by 41. Here the value of n is 41 by 111, 111. So 1 by n is the inverse of that, plus here it is 111 divided by 59. Now let us consider the options. Here you have this number is greater than 1, and here this digit is also greater than 1. So our answer has to be greater than 1. So here if you see the options B and C, these are less than 1. The numerator is less than the denominator in both the options B and C. So we have to see whether A, which is right in the A and D. Now the LCM of 41 and 59 is 49 into 59 itself. So when you multiply this unit digit and this unit digit, the unit digit of the LCM will be 9. So answer will be option D, because in this only in the denominator you have 9. See this is why we could do it straight away, because 41 is a prime number. When you and you can also see that 41 into 59, it will be somewhere around like 40 into 60, 2400. So it has to be around 2400. Okay, so here it is 2419 is little more than 2400, but here if you see the denominator, it is around 2600. So this cannot be the answer. Now see, you can simplify this very easily also. 111 plus 111 into 59 plus 111 into 41, that means 111 into 41 plus 59. So 41 plus 59 is nothing but 100. So in the numerator you will be having 1100. Okay, and in the denominator you will be having 2419. Okay, and this has to be around 2400. So by approximation you can answer this question very easily. Now moving to the next question. In the given figure, from the point P, two tangents PA and PB are drawn to a circle with center O and radius 5 centimeters. Now from the point O, OC and OD are drawn parallel to PA and PB respectively. If the length of the chord AB is 5 centimeters, then what is the value of angle COD? Now here this is the point P and two tangents are drawn touching the circle at point A and point B. Here O is the center of the circle, and you have drawn a line OC which is parallel to PA, right? PA is parallel to OC, and you have drawn a line OD which is parallel to PB. Okay, so this PB is parallel to OD. Now since these both lines are parallel, here PA and OC are parallel and PB and OD are parallel. Okay, so the angle APB will be equal to angle OCOD. Okay, angle APB will be equal to angle COD. Okay, so if we find the angle APB, that will be our answer. Now what is given further, we will see. The length of AB, the chord AB is given as 5. It is also given that the radius, okay, see the radius, join OA and you can also join OB. The radius, the length of the radius is also given as 5 centimeters. So angle, this triangle AOB is an equilateral triangle. Okay, this triangle AOB is an equilateral triangle, and the angle inside them are equal. All the sides and angles will be equal, which is equal to 60 degrees. This is point O. Okay, now see, you know that this is a quadrilateral, and the angle made by the tangent, the point where the tangent touches the circle, when a line is drawn connecting to the center from that point, then that angle will be 90 degrees, right? Everybody know that. Now if you see this two angles, that is angle PAB and angle AOB, these two angles will become supplementary angles, right? These are supplementary angles. That means this angle PAB plus angle AOB will be equal to 180. Now this angle is given as 60 degrees, so angle APB will be obviously 180 minus 60, which is equal to 120 degrees. So answer is option B. I hope you guys understood. So this is the thing which you have to remember. See here, this angle made at the intersection of lines of the tangents, okay, and the angle which are made by the lines which connect the point of the where the tangent touches the circle and the center, okay, their angle will be supplementary angles. This is the thing which you have to remember. Now, how many 3-digit numbers are there in which all the digits are odd? Now we have to see how many 3-digit numbers are odd. Now let us start with 101. You have 101, 102, 103. 102 cannot be the thing because this is odd. One of the digits is odd. Okay, and another one is 105, 107 and 109. So from 101 to 110 you are having only how many? 5 numbers. Okay, these are 5 numbers. Again, if you see the number starting with 2 is not a possibility. Okay, and a number if the second digit is also 2, that is also is not that also doesn't satisfy the condition. So it has to be 301. After 109, the next odd number will be 301. Okay, similarly these the number starting with 3 will also be having 5 numbers. Okay, again next you will be having 5. Now the 3 number digit starting with 5, sorry, this is 131. Okay, again 151. Now here also there are 5 from 150 to how much? 160. You will be having 5 digits. Now again later you will be having 171. This also you will be having 5, and again 191. Here also from 190 to 200 you will be having 5 digits. So see, total you have 225 digits from 100 to 200. Again from 200 to 300 also, from 200 to 300 also you will be having 25 digits only. Similarly, sorry, this is again from, if the number is starting with 200 to 300, you will not be having any number which will be satisfying the condition, because the first number will be 2. So again you will be having the next odd digit, that is after 199 will be 301. So from 301 from 300 to 400 you will be having 25 digits. Again from 500 to 600 you will be having 25 digits. Again from 700 to 800 you will be having 25 digits again. Again from 900 to 1000, okay, that is 999, you will be having 25 digits altogether. So the total number of 3-digit numbers which are, in which all the digits are odd, will be 5 into 25, okay, which will be equal to 125. So no need to write all this in your examination if this question repeats, okay. It is just simple logic to keep in your mind. It is common sense, and you will be having this. So you will be getting 5 into 25. The answer is option C. Now, if x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0, then what is the value of x to the power of 9 plus x to the power of 7 minus 194 x to the power of 5 minus 194 x cube? Now here if you see, in this equation, if you see, you can take this x to the power of 7 common from these two, and from here in these two digits you can take, sorry, in these two terms you can take x to the power of 3 common. So you will be left with x to the power of 7 into x square plus 1 minus 194 x cube into x square plus 1. Now this will be equal to x square plus 1 into x to the power of 7 minus 194 x to the power of 3, that is x cube. Okay, you are left with this equation. Now if you consider this given equation, here you have x square plus 1 as 4x. So you can substitute this over here. Now here you will be having 4x into x to the power of 7 minus 194 x to the power of 4. So sorry, this is 3. And now from here this will be equal to 4 into x to the power of 8 minus 194 x to the power of 4. Now here if you see this 194, it is somewhere near to 196, that means 2 less than 196. That means if you see here, you have this is 196 is equal to 14 square. Now if you observe here clearly, and that means if you square on both sides, you will get x to the power of 4 plus 1 plus 2x square is equal to 16x square, where x to the power of 4 plus 1 you will be getting 14x square. Now this 14 is the square root of 196. So let us square this equation again. You have x to the power of 8 plus 1 plus 2 into x to the power of 4 is equal to 194 x to the power of 196 x to the power of 4. See, you got this x to the power of 4 digit, x to the power of 4 term. Now you get x to the power of 8 plus 1 is equal to 194 x to the power of 4, right? Now substitute this. See here, x to the power of 8 minus 194 x to the power of 4, you will be having the value as minus 1. So substitute this value in this equation. Okay, you will be having 4 into minus 1, which is equal to minus 4. So option A is the right answer. This is little bit lengthy, but you can solve this problem within 1 minute. You will be taking around 40 to 50 seconds if you are thorough. Okay, now let us move to the next question. See here, no, we cannot apply any short trick because we cannot guess the value for x over here. Now, in the given figure, PQ is the diameter of the semicircle PABQ and O is the center. Angle AOB is equal to 60 degrees. BP cuts AQ at X. What is the value of angle AXP? See here, PQ is the diameter and PABQ is the semicircle, and here O is the center and angle AOB is given as 64 degrees. Now you have to learn one formula over here. If this is a circle, okay, or let me draw a circle first. Okay, consider this as a circle, and here you have two chords. Okay, let this be X, let this be AB, and this be PQ, and here you have the center of the circle as O. Now connect this. Connect the points with the circle. Now here this angle is given as theta1 and this angle is given as theta2. Okay, here this is the O. Here angle POA is theta1 and angle BOQ is theta2, right? Now sometimes they will be asking the value for angle PXA. Okay, angle PXA. This angle PXA will be equal to theta1 plus theta2 by 2. This is as simple as that. Now this will be also equal to angle BXQ, right? And this other angle, whatever it is there, this PXB will be equal to 180 minus this theta1 plus theta2 by 2. So we will apply this formula over here. See, now let this BOQ be angle alpha and this angle AOP be beta. Okay, and now we are asked this angle PXA or angle AXP is asked. This angle is asked. So this angle will be equal to alpha plus beta by 2. Now you have to find the value of alpha plus beta by 2. See here, PQ is the diameter. If PQ is the diameter and if this angle AOB is 64, then this beta plus 64 plus alpha will be equal to 180. That means alpha plus beta will be equal to 180 minus 64. So this is 64. Now alpha plus beta by 2 will be equal to 180 minus 64 divided by 2. That means, see, this is 116. Okay, this is 116 by 2, which is equal to 58. Option D is the right answer. 58 degrees. The value of angle AXP is 58 degrees. Bunty had candies and chewing gums in his sweet box in the ratio 7:13. After he has eaten 8 candies and 11 chewing gums, the ratio becomes 1:2. How many candies does he have now? Okay, this is have initially. Okay, no. How many candies does he have now? So let us find how many candies he had initially. Now let the initial candies be 7x and the number of chewing gums initially be 13x. Okay, so 7x by 13x. Here 7x minus 8. Okay, so 8 candies he has eaten and 11 chewing gums he has eaten. That means 13x minus 11 chewing gums are left and 17x minus 8 candies are left. Now this ratio will be equal to 1 by 2. Now see, here you have 2 into 14, that is 14x, and here after cross multiplication here you have 13x into 1. So if you bring that to the left side, you will be left with x, that is 14x minus 13x. Now this x will be equal to, see here in the right hand side you will be having minus 11 and on the left hand side you will be having minus 16. So when it comes to the right side, you will be having x value as 5. Now initially the Bunty will be having 7x candies, which is equal to 35. Now he has eaten 8 candies, so 35 minus 8. 35 minus 8 will be 27. Option C is the right answer. In the given figure, OX, OY and OZ are perpendicular side bisectors of the three sides of the triangle. Right. So these are the perpendicular bisectors of the sides. Here this is O and this is X, Y, Z and this is P, Q, R. Okay, so that means what he means to say is O is the circumcenter of the triangle. To find the circumcenter, you will be taking the perpendicular bisector of these sides, and the intersection point of those two of those three lines will be the circumcenter. Okay, so this is the circumcenter. Now what we have to remember is, again let me draw a circle. Here is a circle, consider that as a circle. This is the center. Okay, and let this be a chord PQ, or let me say this is AB. Okay, now this AB will be making some angle on the major arc. So this is the major arc and the downward portion is the minor arc, right? So this angle will be always equal. Okay, if this is theta, then this angle also will be equal to theta. This is theta, these are straight lines. Okay, so this one also will be theta. Again here this one also will be theta, and when this chord is connected to the center, okay, when this is connected to the center, this angle made at the center will be 2 theta. So that is the thing you have to understand. See, this is the circle. Here you have the center and this is the chord. Here you have a point touching on the circumference. Okay, this is AB. Let this be C. Okay, and this is the center O. Now if you connect these points with the circle, okay, and if this angle ACB is theta, and then this angle AOB will be equal to 2 theta. Okay, now this similar concept will be using over here. Now let us connect these points QO and OR and this OP. Right, we have to find the angle QOR plus angle POR. Now what are we given is the value of angle QPR, this is 65 degrees, and angle PQR, this is given as 60 degrees. So you have to imagine a circle. This is there will be a circle over here, right? This is the circumcircle. Just assume it. No need to draw these figures. Okay, if you just understand the concept, you can straight away mark the answer. See, here this angle QOR will be 2 into 65, that is 130, and this angle ROB will be 2 into 60, that is 120. So 120 plus 130 will be 250. Option C is the right answer. Okay, so within 5 within 5 seconds you will be able to complete mark the answer if you understand, if you remember this concept. Now what is the sum of all natural numbers between 100 and 400 which are divisible by 13? Now see, here you have the first number is 100 and the last number is 400. Okay, and we have to find the sum of all natural numbers between them which are divisible by 13. Now let us find what is the first number. So divide this with 13. See, 7 times you have uh, 7 times you have what, 91, and 9 is the remainder. Okay, so if you subtract 9 from 100 and add 13, or if you subtract this 13 subtract this 9 from 13 and add this resulting number to 100, you will be getting the same thing. Okay, here also you will get 104, here also you will get 104. So this is the number which is divisible by 13 after 100. Okay, so first number which is divisible by 13 is 104. And the last number, see, if you divide this, if you multiply with 30, you will be getting 390. Okay, so 390 is the last number. 390 is the last number. Okay, now we have to find sum of all the numbers between them. So let us see how many numbers are there, that is the value of n. See, 390 is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. The value of d is 13. Okay, here the value of a is 104. So 104, 390 minus 104, you get how much? 286. Okay, 286. Here you have 13, so divide it with 13. This will be equal to n minus 1. See, here 26 is 286 is a multiple of 11. This is 26 into 11. So 13 into 2 is 26. So 2 into 11 will be 22. So n minus 1 value is equal to 22 and the value of n will be 23. Now sum of n digits will be equal to n by 2, that is 23 by 2 into first number plus last number, 104 plus 390, which is equal to 494. So 23 by 2 into 494. Okay, so see this, here you have 4 in the unit digits and 9 in the tens digit, which is odd number. So here there has to be 7 in the unit digit when you divide it with 2. Okay, and 7 into 3 will be 21. So in the unit digit of the number you should have 1. In only one option you are having 1 as the unit digit, so straight away you can mark B as the right answer. See, let us check it out. Now if you divide this, here you have 23 by 2 into 494. See, 2 into 2 times 4 and you have 94. This is 4 times 8 and 7. See, you have 247. Now multiply this 247 with 23. You will be getting 1 in the last digit, whatever it is. See, 23 into 7. 23 into 7 is 140 plus 21, that is 161. So write 1 and keep 16 in your mind. Okay, now 23 into 4. 23 into 4 is 92. Now 92, add 92 to 16. Okay, 92 plus 16 is 108. Now write 8. Okay, write 8 and keep 10 in your mind. Now 23 into 2 is 46. 46 plus 10 is 56. Okay, like that you can do the multiplication speedily. Otherwise, if you have to multiply 247 into 223 like we did in school, you have to multiply 3 into 247 first and then again 2 into 247 and then you add it, you will be getting this. So straight away you can get it without these two steps, so that your time is being saved. Okay, So don't even multiply this multiplication is also not required. If your question is being asked this way, just identify the unit digit and you can straight away mark the answer. So much of time, this time for calculation will be saved for you guys. Thanks for watching. We will cover next questions in the upcoming video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.